village. Life was simple, but opportunities were limited. No one around me spoke English. English was not part of daily life. It felt like something meant for other people, not for me. I was shy, very shy. When I heard someone speak English fluently, I admired them from a distance. Inside my heart, I wished, I want to speak like that one day. But another voice inside me said, this is too difficult for you. You are not good enough. People will laugh. In school, I learned grammar rules, definitions, writing exercises, but when it came to speaking, my mind went blank. My hands felt cold, my heart started beating fast, even simple sentences disappeared. I felt embarrassed. I felt small. Many times I wanted to give up, but deep inside there was a very small voice, a quiet voice. It said, don't stop. You can learn. Just try. One day, I looked at myself in the mirror. I didn't see a weak person. I saw someone who wanted to grow, someone who wanted to improve. And that day, I said something very important to myself. I want to speak English. I can learn. I will try. Every single day. That moment changed everything. I made a promise that I would not run away anymore, a promise that I would keep going even if it took time. I started very small, very, very small. I learned simple words, I made short sentences, I wake up, I eat breakfast, I go to school. Simple lines, but powerful. Practice every day. I spoke to myself, sometimes in front of the mirror, sometimes while walking, sometimes while doing daily work. At first, it felt strange, even funny, but slowly I started enjoying it. I watched English videos with slow voices, easy stories, simple lessons. I listened again and again, even when I didn't understand everything. I didn't stop. I stayed patient. Listening became my best friend. Slowly, words started making sense. My pronunciation improved, my confidence began to grow. Then I started speaking with others. Yes, I made mistakes, many mistakes, but something had changed. I was no longer afraid. When people corrected me, I listened, I smiled, I learned. And then I realized something beautiful. Mistakes are not your enemies. They are your teachers. Every mistake showed me the next step. Slowly, my English became better. I understood more, I spoke more, and one day I felt proud of myself, not because I was perfect, but because I had not quit. Today, my English is still not perfect, and that's okay, because every day I am improving. Progress, that is what truly matters. If you are learning English right now, I want you to hear this clearly. Do not stop. Do not feel shy. Do not be afraid. You are doing something brave. Speak a little every day. Read a little every day. Listen a little every day. Practice a little every day. You don't need perfection. You need progress. Say this with me quietly in your mind. Practice creates progress, not perfection. One day you will speak more easily. One day you will speak with confidence. And one day you will look back and smile. Believe in yourself. Believe in your journey. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself only with yesterday's version of you. If you feel tired, rest, but don't quit. If you feel shy, smile and try again. If you make mistakes, learn and move forward. Slow progress is still progress. Every small step matters. Your effort will shine. Your dream is waiting for you. And remember this, you are not late, you are not weak, you are learning, and learning takes time. Thank you, my friend, for spending this time with me. If this story touched your heart, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this channel grow and helps more learners feel less alone. I will see you again very soon with another calm English story. Until then, take care of yourself, stay positive, and keep practicing English every day. Because every word you speak brings you one step closer to your dream. Keep speaking, keep learning. Thank you, and have a beautiful day.